Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to my subject, Media and Information Literacy. I am Sir Ritual. Today our topic is Introduction to Media and Information Literacy. Before we start, I have a question first. Who invented the telephone? Okay, very good. Alexander Graham Bell. Let's proceed to our lesson. Let's define communication. What is communication? Try to look at the picture on the right side of the screen. There's two people talking to each other. Communication is the act or process of using words, sounds, signs, or behaviors to express or exchange information or to express your ideas, thoughts, feelings, etc. to someone else. Next, let's define communication models. Okay, so what is communication model? The first major model of communication came in 1948 by Shannon and Weaver. The linear model of communication followed the basic concept of communication. The basic components of the first major communication model consist of the following. We have sender, channel, and receiver. The sender encodes the message, okay, and the sender, okay, use channel, okay, it's either telephone. Then the channel will decode the message and the sender will send to the receiver. Receiver will gives their feedback and goes back again to the sender. Evolution of communication model. So according to David Berlo, expanded the linear model of communication to SMCR, model of communication, which means the sender, message, channel, and receiver. Here's the diagram. Only Berlo add message. In Berlo's linear model, he add the message. The 10 Levels of Intimacy in Communication by Andrew Abrams rank the different forms of communication in terms of intimacy. We have the most intimate form of communication because of the sender and the receiver's presence is talking, while the least intimate form of communication because the message you are going to send is limited is Twitter. Those are the terms in intimacy which Andrew Abram ranked. What is media? Let's define. Media, communication tools, physical objects used to communicate with or the mass communication through physical objects such as radio, television, computers, film, etc. It also refers to any physical object used to communicate messages. Here are the examples. Radio, television, laptop, film, and mobile phone. Now, let's define information. What is information? We have a diagram here, a picture. Okay, information, data, knowledge derived from study, experience or instruction, signals or symbols, knowledge of specific events or situation. That's the meaning of information. Information, it is a processed data. When we say information, it's already processed. Let's define literacy. Literacy is the ability to read and write, knowledge of a particular subject or a particular type of knowledge. Media literacy, information literacy. Okay, let's differentiate the two. In media literacy, the ability to read, analyze, evaluate, and produce communication in a variety of media forms. So read, okay, evaluate. Ito yung kailangan para magamit mo yung different kinds of media. okay, used in communication. While information literacy, the ability to recognize when information is needed and to locate, evaluate effectively, use and communicate information in its various formats. Once we say information literacy, the ability to recognize when information is needed. Let's define digital literacy or technology literacy and media and information literacy. Digital literacy, the ability to use digital technology. I think you can use different kinds of digital technology nowadays. Okay, so we are in a 21st century or technology age. Media and information literacy. That's defined. It is defined as a set of competencies that empower citizens to access, retrieve, understand, evaluate, and use, create, as well as share information and media content in all formats, using various tools in a critical, ethical, and effective way in order to participate and engage in personal, professional, and societal activities. Media and information literacy are the combination of media literacy, technology literacy, information literacy. When we say combination of those three, so that is media and information literacy. Set of competencies. Next. Okay, so let's practice media and information literacy. How do we know that a person is a media and information literacy or information literate? By citing and sharing information, we can know that a person can illustrate media and information literacy. Posting and sharing pictures, viewing and making videos or movies, messaging, writing blogs, or making posts, researching. So those are the characteristics or the practices that illustrates media and information literacy. Media habit, lifestyle, and preferences. Okay? Okay, first, let's define what is preference. The selecting of someone or something over another or others. Yung mga favorite. Example, a favorite movie, favorite channel, favorite site na pinupuntahan natin. That is preference. Okay? Next, habit. When we say habit, a recurrent, often unconscious pattern of behavior that is acquired through frequent repetition. Same thing, ginagawa, paulit-ulit, habit na. Diba? Paulit-ulit na lang. Pag-gising sa umaga, hawak sa cellphone, diba? Selfie, checking, kung mayroong nag-chat, mga ganun. Then, lifestyle. Okay, a way of living or living of a person or group. So, ayan, ang mga lifestyle natin ngayon, mga hashtag, diba? Mga selfie, groupie, yung mga ano natin ngayon, mga netizens. Next, media consumption, usage of specified media by a person and or group of people. Okay, so media consumption. Next, characteristics of a responsible media. So, what are the characteristics to become a responsible media user? Number 1, behaves properly on the internet. Using internet. So, you know the right attitude and typing and chatting with someone. Okay, critical thinker. Okay, when we say critical thinker, so is a problem solver. Critical thinker. Next, smart and always think positive. Okay, smart person, and he always look forward for positive result. Knows on how to protect himself or herself on the internet. Here are the list on how to protect ourselves on the internet. Okay, so bullet number one, think before you click or think before you post. Keep your settings private. Only connect with friends. Okay, so only connect with friends. Okay, sabi nga nila, do not talk with the strangers. Then, don't share your password. Okay, syempre password mo yan. Okay, so kailangan ikaw lang. Next, be kind to others. Okay, next, don't be hurtful towards others. Okay? So, kailangan pa rin natin yung respect sa iba. Okay, give respect to others. Thank you for listening. So, that's the end of our topic.